G'day mates, big day of unboxing for you. We have some great products here from CSpring. We have the CSpring Mini, the CSpring Mac 3, and the CSpring Ready Clean. So we'll unbox them, set them up. I'll show you how they work. All right, let's start with the CSpring Mini, shall we? Now there's two CSpring models. You got the Mac 3, which is the big girl, and the Mini, which is more the portable size. And both of the devices were designed to automatically refill your humidifier chamber, your water chamber, when it runs dry. So it runs dry at 3 AM in the morning, has little sensors, and it'll automatically top up your humidifier. So if you're a bit lazy like me, it's perfect. All right, now it does come with instructions. I've never seen this before, I've never used it. We're gonna try and set it up without the instructions, like most men do. Okay. So it came with this AirSense 11 lid here. Now, I believe it's compatible with the AirSense 10, AirSense 11, Luna G3 Auto, and the DreamStation 2. So, depending on the device you're using, you'll just need to make sure you get the compatible humidification chamber lid or chamber, okay? So this is the AirSense 11. So I'm going to take my normal AirSense 11, just pop off the lid, it just sort of disconnects. If you didn't know that, it's quite handy for cleaning. All right, just pop off the side there. And we're gonna install the new lid. And you can see here, this lid has a modification. This is an AirSense 11 lid. They just made a modification to it. Right, see that there? All right, let's put it on. Step one done. Here we go. Too easy. All right, look at this. It's got a nice little case here. Very cool. Love it. Well done, buddy. This is great. Now, I just want to say one thing, guys. If you have no problem with your humidification chamber, it's not running out of water, that's cool. You don't have to buy this, but please don't jump in the comments and start bagging out products. Okay, I hate it. You know, Seb's like one of the only guys innovating. He's providing all these cool accessories for you. You don't have to buy them. This is awesome. All right, what have we got here? Uh-oh, I'm already getting a little bit confused. There's a little bit more to this than I thought, but we'll just see how we go. Okay, all right, I think I'm getting the idea here. So these are the sensing leads. Now this part here, we're gonna plug into here, just line it up. There we go. Screw that on. I reckon I could start an aquarium with this gear. All right, so this one here, with that little part, is gonna clip in here. What does it do? You just, yeah. Yes. So this will be in, yeah. Because the water's going, oh, actually, in, out. If this is the pump, so this will actually be out. Yeah, I get it. So the water's gonna go into this and then out into the humidifier, okay? I don't know if you can see that there on there. See, it says in, out. All right, now the next one is this one. Cool, so that just goes, I get it. So that there's the weight, and you're gonna put that in any bottle, and then we're just gonna thread this up through here, like that, into the pump. Yeah, I get it. Okay. So, what we have now is we have This part here is going to go into a water bottle of our choosing. And then it's going to suck up water into here, pump it out this one into the chamber. And all we've got to do now is attach these little sensing wires. All right, we're getting there, guys. No instructions needed, I told you. Okay, so what's he got here? These look like the clips. Looks like the clips have changed somewhat. Redesign. I like that. All right. So this will be S1 here on the back, and this will be S2. I think it's like a backup. S2 is like a backup. Just in case S1 fails, you got the backup there. You don't have to worry about the backup, guys. Come on. All right, so S1. This is so cool. Okay, there we go. There's S1 and there's S2. One thing I'll quickly mention, guys, is the orientation of the clips. So with the S1 here, you can see that there's this white bit pointing upwards. And with the S2, it's pointing downwards. The old lime cordial. Here we go. All right, so that goes in there. Perfect fit. Power, power on, filling. Is it working? It's not working. What have I done? It didn't work. Oh, it's definitely sucking. So it should be able to suck water through here. Oh! It's working now. What's going on? Did you see that? All right, here we go. You ready? Now you might think that's just being lazy. I think it's kick ass. I think that is awesome that you can go and get yourself a 2-litre bottle of distilled water, put it there beside your bed, and you don't have to worry about it. You have to keep filling up the chamber night after night, emptying it, refilling it all the time, running dry in the middle of the night. Easy. Take that over the sink, fill it up, in you go. Bob's your uncle. One thing I will say is this little thing does make a bit of a noise, so you might want to put it, I don't know, in your top drawer or something. But apart from that, happy days. Let's move on to the next one, shall we? Maybe we'll set up the Mac 3, hey? Yeah, let's do it.